Albert, kanina Direk Albert.
Dito ba si Direk?
Andyan, o tinan mo, oh. Nakita mo ka-turn niya yung ating flooring.
Hindi ko makita ang ayos. Eh kasi naman pala kakulay yung
Flooring
carpet.
na. Kasi si Direk Albert, kayo palakpakan niyo naman.
Pagulay kasi Direk Albert na dito agad maangat.
Totoo.
Ayan, dito.
Hello, Direk. Can we have the microphone, please? Eto, Direk Albert, maganda yan. Malakas ang ground.
Tinagandaan namin to.
At dahil nga, we're gonna start earlier our pageant, so we're gonna make it fast. Anong gusto mong awitin?
Wow, gusto ko yan. This is actually one of my favorite song that you sing.
Talaga ba?
Very heartfelt. Direk Albert, ano nga pala yung wala yung upcoming? Kasali ka ba sa Emirates Film Festival something?
Yeah, so far I've got one film for Emirates Film Festival coming from March.
Lifestyle membership with benefits.
Wow. Nice.
Yes.
Anong title po?
My My,
Nawala
My
yung mic.
Lolo. It's a family film.
Ano yan?
It's
My
about
Lolo?
their grandfather. Yeah.
Sinong bida dyan sa may lolo?
We're introducing an 8-year-old boy
Ay.
who actually resides in Sharjah. Yeah. Yeah. Tapos I'm taking the part of the grandfather. Yeah.
Lolo nga. No, makanakumbis ako. Lolo ba o lola?
Hindi na kailangan ng make-up eh, no?
Hindi, baka hindi yung ano yung lolo. Baka lolo ba o lola? Baka makanakumbis. I'm just joking.
Sabi, be specific. Actually, you're directing at the same time you're acting.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, yes.
Multiple
And
tasking.
I actually wrote the script.
You also are the script writer.
He wrote the script, he played the camera,
Parang ano yan,
he's
parang
directing. Dapat nga ang
Parang
title,
Woody Allen.
Yeah.
dapat nga ang title niya,
Written,
Me,
produced, and
I, and
directed.
Myself. Very siya, resourceful.
I know.
Tapos
And
yung film sa Germany, it's still on, which is yung jackfruit ginataang langka.
Kinataang lang.
Yeah. So that's still on in Kobani Film Festival in Germany.
Wow! Nakita mo, ginataang langka. Yung pelikula lang, tuturuan ka na magluto ng langka. Mula umpisa hanggang katapusan. Pero nilulutuin na from Sri Lanka, kaya ginataang langka.
Cooking show pala.
No, it's also a family-oriented show, movie.
Yes.
Yeah, alright. So,
yun naman,
kuya,
yun naman tungkol sa mother and daughter relationship.
yeah. Na,
Very family-oriented yung mga movies.
na nabuhay sa langka, ano?
Yes.
Dati silang Star Apple, naging langka sila.
Ang taray.
Ang ganda, no?
Fairy tale pala.
Alright, so without further ado, let's have a big hand. Our first jammer is Direk Albert.
Gayo.
Palakpakan mo. May tumutunog. Yan. Ay, napakasaya nito.
Supposed to Sir Obed.
Mother Babette. Ang masaya niyo po ito.
Everybody. To our judges.
And also,
Of course, yes, to all our candidates.
and to all the people, baka magalit sa
For everyone.
Tingin na lang.
I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been.
Masaya naman tayo, di ba?
Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wind that ripples to your clothes.
Ano ka ba?
It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the wind. 'Cause I wish you the best of all this world could be. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. I'm jealous of the nights that I don't spend with you. I'm wondering who you lay next to.
Palakpakan niyo naman si Direk.
Oh, I'm jealous of the nights. I'm jealous of the love that was in here, gone for someone else to share. Oh, I'm jealous of the love. 'Cause I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. 'Cause I sit in the sand, watch you slip through my hands, hopeless and dying here another day. 'Cause all I do is cry behind the smile. I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. Thank you.
Nagkoto ko para ganito. Palakpakan si Direk. Isa pa, ang ganda ng boses mo. Kaboses mo si Julina. Magaling boses ni Direk, no? Pasado na ba, Direk? Okay lang.
Oo naman, very friendly.
Naiyak ako kasi medyo, ano ba kinain mo, Direk? Ano pa yung